This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert HEIC to PNG. So HEIC, or HEIC if you prefer, is this format that you often see on the iPhone. If you take a photo on the iPhone, it's often in this format. You might want to convert this to a JPEG, or in this case, a PNG format. So we are right here on this site that I use called PicFlow. You can see the URL here. I would of course put that URL in the video description, so you can just click even the URL and you will end up here. So we are just going to click on add images, and now I have this pre-prepared folder with a few HEIC images in there, or HEIC if you prefer images. Just a few random ones from my phone when my mouse was having some issues. So I'm just going to select all those. As we're doing a batch conversion here, I have selected all three images just by holding shift and selecting them. Now we'll click open, and by default this is going from HEIC to, as you can see here, to PNG. You can convert to lots of other formats including JPEG, GIF, BMP, and so on and so forth. There's even WebP in there as well, but this video is HEIC to PNG, so that's what we're going to do, and we're going to click on convert all from here. And within seconds, PicFlow will do its thing. It will do the conversion. These are quite big file sizes. You can see there's a 1 meg, a 5 meg, and another 1 meg there, so they're quite big file size. I'll just pause the video whilst it does its thing. And just like that, PicFlow's done its thing. We can now click on save all, and that will save as a zip file, as these are multiple files right here. So all you will do is you'll go to your downloads, wherever your browser saves its downloads, and you will open up that zip file, and you will have a folder of these converted PNG images. I'll show you what that looks like now. Okay, so I have opened that zip file now, and I have this folder, another folder, and you can see that we have the same images that were previously in the HEIC format and are now in the PNG format. And you can see here they're actually massive file size, but they have been converted to PNG and they're still in the same quality as they were before. So hopefully you found this video on how to convert from HEIC to PNG useful. I like to use PicFlow for this. If you found this video helpful, then drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.